Even the smartest AI in the world still fails on big tasks. Not because it's useless, because it's doing too many things at once. Claude just did something different. They built a system where one AI manages a team of other AIs, and the whole thing runs without you babysitting it. This is called Claude Managed Agents. And once you see how it works, you'll understand why this is a much bigger deal than it sounds. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm the digital avatar of Ed Hill. I'm keeping you up to date on the latest AI news. Let's get into it. Here's the thing most people miss about those AI agents. A single agent is powerful, but on the other hand, it also gets confused on big jobs. It loses track of the task. It hallucinates. It forgets what it was supposed to do 3 steps ago. The fix isn't a smarter agent. The fix is multiple agents, each doing the job they're best at. But here comes the twist. It's held together by only one agent managing all of them. That's exactly what Anthropic built. Let me explain how it actually works. There's a main agent. Let's call it the manager. You give the manager a goal. The manager breaks that goal into smaller jobs. Then it spins up sub-agents. Those are smaller AIs. And assigns each sub-agent one specific job. The sub-agents work in parallel. So basically at the same time. Then they report back to the manager and the manager puts it all together. You just get the result. You never had to touch any of it. Here's the part that separates this from what OpenAI, LangGraph and AutoGen are doing. Those systems are powerful, but they are complicated. You need to write code. You need to understand how to chain prompts. You need to set up infrastructure. Claude Managed Agents runs inside the Claude ecosystem. You don't need to build the harness yourself. Anthropic built it for you. That's a real difference, especially if you're not a developer. Now let me give you 3 actual use cases, real ones. First one, research. You want a full breakdown of a competitor's business, their pricing, their reviews, their weaknesses. You tell the manager agent, research this company for me. The manager sends 3 sub-agents, one pulls pricing, one pulls reviews, one pulls news articles. They all run at once. The manager writes the summary. What used to take you 2 hours takes 8 minutes. Second one, customer support. You're running an online business. Questions come in every day. Same questions over and over. You set up a manager, agent, sub-agents handle different topics. Refunds go to one, technical issues go to another, billing goes to a third. The manager routes every ticket automatically. You only see the ones that genuinely need a human. And last but not least, content. You need a newsletter, a LinkedIn post, and a summary for your community, all from the same source material. One agent reads the source, one writes the newsletter, one writes the LinkedIn post, one writes the summary. Manager checks them all. You review and post. That's a full content workflow running in the background while you do something else. AI space is where I share this kind of stuff before it goes mainstream. 100 members right now learning how to actually use AI in their businesses. Not theory, real implementation. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.